Hi guys, welcome to the Staats Primary School podcast. Baie welkom by Laerskool Staats se YouTube kanaal. Vandag is ons hier saam met Andries Hugo. Today, we have Janike as our guest speaker. What is the importance of a good breakfast for a young learner?
Anything that digests relatively slowly in the body to stabilize the blood glucose levels. Together with that, we want to give them a bit of protein. Obviously, a child that's growing needs an incredible amount of protein.
What are the foods that parents should avoid giving the children for breakfast?
I think caffeinated beverages. As we know, caffeine is a stimulant. So too much caffeine can stimulate that child and then after a while dip their concentration levels. And number 3.
Definitief, ek dink wat baie goed is van 'n klein ouderdom om 'n rekening te kry is om jou kind te leer die belangrikheid van geld, hoe belangrik geld is en die waarde van geld. 'n Kind daaruit kan leer is van 'n klein ouderdom leer jy jouself hoe om jou geld te bestuur. Jy is in kontrole van jou eie geld. Dit gee ook vir jou die dissipline soos wat jy opgroei om te weet hoe om met geld te werk.